Hi, how are you all? I have just decided to pop on and quickly talk about products and brands that use toxic chemicals. So I thought I'd pop on and talk to you quickly about that. I'm just going to give it a couple of minutes to let people kind of pop on and have the opportunity to join in this conversation. Hello, whoever is there watching. I'll just I can see who that is, so feel free to ask me any questions as we go along. That would be fantastic. So the reason why I've decided to pop on and do this video is because at the moment, every time I pop onto social media, I am discovering people talking about, they're either in shopping centres or just talking about brands in general, and products that people shouldn't use. Now, I want to explain to you why I won't do that. Okay, so first of all, the reason why I won't actually talk about brands and products and things like that in that way is because, firstly, it's not the answer. It's not going to help you in any possible way whatsoever. So at the end of the day, I can sit there and tell you about all the different products on the market and what ones you should and shouldn't use, but it's not actually going to teach you anything. And for me, this is all about education. So I want to educate you. So what I can actually do for you, apart from tell you what brands you shouldn't be using, is I can teach you, first of all, how not to follow the pack. At the end of the day, marketing is marketing, and people are out to get you not to use this product and to use their product. They're also marketing to you for what you want. So they're going to put organic and natural and all that type of thing on their products because they want you to use it. So I want to educate you on how to actually find out what ingredients are toxic. So learning about what ingredients to avoid. So that's what I will do for you. I'm going to help you learn what ingredients you should be avoiding in your products. Now, this is also going to help you when you're in the supermarket because you can pick up a product and look at the back and go, I'm not going to use that one because it's got this, this and this in it. The other big thing, I think, is there's a lot of ignorance this day and age. People believe whatever we're told. So if someone says to you, you shouldn't be using this brand, people are jumping on straight away and going, oh, well, I'm not using that because that person said not to. But they haven't actually educated themselves on the product whatsoever. So they haven't actually looked at the product and found out why they shouldn't be using it. And this is another thing that's really important because just because one person decides that they shouldn't use it, so for instance, I say to you, I don't use this particular brand because it's got this, this and this in it. But you know what? That brand might really work for you. So there's a lot of reasons why we shouldn't just be taking people's word for it. There are a lot of brands out there that I would say steer clear of, but I'm not going to sit here and tell you that. I want to be able to teach you how you can choose these things for yourself. Okay, so second of all, I will let you know the products that I love and why I love them. So one of the big things for me is reasons why I choose certain products is A, because they normally won't have toxic chemicals in them. And second of all is because they might have the same beliefs that I have. So this is really, again, really, really important. So why? Personal choices. Personal choices are your choices. What suits you? So, you know what? There might be one ingredient that's in that product that's not the best ingredient, but that product might really suit you and you might be okay with using that product with that ingredient. And that's okay because that's your choice. So these are really, really important things. You've got to think about what suits you, what your beliefs are, what ingredients are in these products, if they suit you. And another thing that comes into it a lot for people is cost, whether or not it suits them cost-wise and financially. What else can I tell you? that's mainly the reason why I won't sit here and talk about brands. I won't go into the supermarket and pick up products and say to you, you can't use this one's terrible, blah, blah, blah. Also, apart from the ingredient listings on the back, that's what I work off. So I work off what the ingredients are and whether they suit me. So I'm not just going to pick up a product and go, this product's crap, because aside from the ingredients, I don't know how it works or anything like that. So it might, like I said previous, there might be 2 or 3 ingredients in there that you are like, yeah, I don't really like those ingredients, but I've tried this product that has none of those ingredients in it and it's all toxic free and it doesn't work. I don't like it. So I'm okay with using this product that has 1 or 2 ingredients in there. And that should be fine. You shouldn't feel like you're being judged every time you come onto Facebook or Instagram because you're using something that somebody says is nasty. You've got to go and get educated. And that's why I'm not going to sit here and say, don't use a particular brand. What I will do is I'm going to teach you what ingredients to look out for. I'll let you know the products that I use and love and what works for me, and I'll teach you how to make your own products so that you know exactly what's going into your products. So that's what I'm all about, and that's what I will do. So don't ever think that you're going to pop on here and see me in the supermarket picking up a product going, oh, this is a terrible product. I'm never going to do that. You'll never see me do that. I won't talk about brands at my clinics and workshops. That's not what I'm about. There are plenty of things out there that you shouldn't be using, but I want to educate you on why you shouldn't be using them, and so you can make your choices yourself. So you can go in and pick that brand up and go, oh yeah, no, I'm not going to use this one. I don't want to use that one. You're not going to pick it up because you're not going to say, oh, I'm going to use it because I'm not use it because that's that brand. You're going to pick it up and look for yourself and educate yourself for your own choices. That's what you're going to do. So that, my friends, is why I won't talk brands. So there you go. If anyone has any questions, now's the time to ask them. This is only a short and sweet video because it is the weekend, but I popped on the social media this morning and I seen about 3 videos with people in them in supermarkets picking up things and telling you why you shouldn't be using them. And well, actually, they weren't even saying why you shouldn't be using them. We're just saying don't use them because these are bad. And yeah, I'm not going to do that. So this is why I did this quick video, because it's something I feel really passionate about. I'm not here to put other products down. I'm here to educate you. So yeah, that's my little video for today. If you want to find out more, head over to my website, www.thecleanlivingclinic.com.au, or you can ask me questions or send me a message or anything like that. I'm always willing to hear from everybody. And yeah, we'll go from there. I'll be doing a video this week, hopefully, on foaming hand soap, so you can learn how to make your own foaming hand soap, which is always good too. Has anyone got any questions before I go? No? All good. Okay, well, I shall speak to you all soon. I hope this helps you. I hope this lets you know a little bit more about me and how I am not here to judge anybody. I'm here to help you make your own choices and educated choices. So that's it.